Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of tennis with a spotlight on the Senston Tennis Rackets for adults. If you're an intermediate senior player looking for the perfect racket, you've come to the right place. These tennis rackets from Senston are designed to elevate your game to new heights. Let's break down why they're the top choice for players like you. First off, let's talk about what you get in the package. With the Senston Tennis Rackets, you're not just getting one, but two high-quality rackets. Plus, you get a premium protective carry case to keep your gear safe and secure. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty details. These rackets boast a length of 27 inches, providing you with excellent reach and control on the court. The mid-plus head size of 96 to 100 square inches strikes the perfect balance between power and precision. One thing you'll notice right away is how lightweight these rackets are. With an unstrung weight of just 260 to 280 grams. They're easy to maneuver, allowing you to react quickly to every shot. But what really sets these rackets apart is their performance on the court. Thanks to their one-piece molded technology, they offer unparalleled intensity and durability. Whether you're unleashing a powerful serve or executing a precise volley, these rackets deliver every time. And let's not forget about comfort. With two included grips and vibration dampeners, you can say goodbye to sore hands and hello to a comfortable, enjoyable playing experience. In conclusion, the Senston Tennis Rackets for adults are the ultimate choice for intermediate senior players looking to take their game to the next level. With their lightweight design, superior performance, and unbeatable comfort, you'll be dominating the court in no time. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more expert product insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.